If you love tiramisu but hate all the egg yolks, this recipe is for you. I'll show you how to make the creamiest, dreamiest pistachio mascarpone cream without using any eggs. All you need is mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, pistachios, espresso, and ladyfingers. This tiramisu comes together in minutes and tastes like you spent hours on it. Let me show you how to make this easy eggless pistachio tiramisu. First, let's prepare the pistachio mascarpone filling. In a separate bowl, work the mascarpone with a spatula until creamy. Add heavy cream and powdered sugar and beat with an electric mixer until smooth and creamy. Then add the pistachio spread and beat until the cream is smooth and homogeneous. You can adjust the amount of sugar up or down depending on how sweet you want the filling. Now let's prepare the espresso syrup. You'll need just 2 ingredients, espresso and water. Combine the cooled coffee and water in a shallow dish and mix well. You can adjust the amounts to your taste, making it sweeter by adding sugar or intensifying the espresso flavor with less water. To assemble your pistachio tiramisu, soak the ladyfingers in espresso for 1 second each side until they become moist. Next, take a dish and line the bottom with the soaked ladyfingers. Then, generously spread a layer of the creamy mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. For an added touch of flavor and texture, sprinkle some finely chopped pistachios on top. Repeat these layers, alternating between the soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone mixture, and chopped pistachios. Finally, finish off the dessert with a final layer of the delightful mascarpone pistachio cream and a sprinkle of chopped pistachios on the very top. Cover and refrigerate your pistachio tiramisu for at least 4 hours before serving. Enjoy!